Hello there! Welcome to Game Over. Well, first I got to connect to it first. Nonetheless, welcome to Game Over. Oh, and apologies to anyone who wants to see my face. I decided to keep my cam off for this one, because apparently every time my cam goes on, my face starts to skip and things. The voice doesn't match the face. Nonetheless, here we are with Catbird. The bird of a cat, or it's the cat of a bird. Let's play it, shall we? It's adorable, by the way.
Oh, he's asleep! Oh my god, he's asleep! Ew!
What's going on?
Nani? Oh, Bakana!
No! Oh my god! No! Oh? Oh my god, I love it! I love it! Hello world! Oh, I can hover! And he makes a noise when he does it! Oh, that's a star. Oh my god, this is adorable. Yep. Jesus. Oh my god, I didn't see. Was that black star always there? Nope, that doesn't work. Yep. There's a key, I guess that unlocks that. Yep. Yes, it does. Yes, it doodly doos. Yeah, the black star always stays there. Oh, God! I made it seem like it's entirely painful. Oh, my God. Hope. 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 Hit! That doesn't work! Oh my god! Try it again. That doesn't work! Yeah, let's try this. That does nothing! What? Maybe don't push it all the way until the milk. Which I assume is milk. I don't know what other white stuff is. Yeah, there we go. That's better. I get slurped up in there, don't I? Oh, here's an ad. Webcomics. How about now? Okay. Oh, saw blades. That's... whatever that does. Oh, well, can't go that way. Maybe this way. Oh, yes I can. Okay. No, okay, I died on the first goddamn try. Okay. I suppose I gotta get that and push that onto there. There you go. Go. Okay, good. That's out. Oh, it's adorable. Oh. There we go. Ah, perfect. Perfect sound. Alright, up and down. This actually might be a problem. Well, I'm just killing this man, or woman. He looks like a John. He looks like a, oh, whoa, I didn't know that. It looks like a John. Hop. Perfect. Up. Go, John! John, no! Oh, they have little faces on them. The saws. That's pretty funny. They're so evil. No, not yet. One more. Come on, John! John! No! John! Oh. God dang it, John. God dang it, John! Johnny! There we go. Aha. Maybe a Todd. Now, John or Todd, which leave a comment in below to see it. Todd or John. Either one you want. Oh, we still go? Dang. Oh God! Okay. Ah! Oh my God, that legit scared me. What is this? Oh, it's a, like, keyboard thing. I don't care. Oh God, no. 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 Thank you. I gotta do this thing again. Todd or John, how dare you? Oh snap, that was legally split, my friend. God dang it. The key to our salvation is probably not Todd, John. Jod. Jod. I'm silly. Oh. Okay, I guess I can't go down there. Let's go this way. Ah, I can. Hey! There we go. This game is rather fun. I enjoy it. Shaky ground. Oh. Oh. Boop, boop. Oh, dang. That's very dangerous. Oh. Apparently if you touch sharp objects on their sides, then you'll die. Oh, let's go this way. Go, go, go. Oh, no! Ah! I pressed it too early! There we go. Okay, go on this side then. Oh, I can't do it! Oh. There we go. Ba-ba-doo-doo. Perfect. There we go. Okay. Yes. The plummet. Oh, this doesn't seem easy. Yeah. There's that thing right there, but how am I gonna get that? For now, we shall pay attention to one thing. What's this? I want you. So that's a checkpoint, perhaps. Okay. Now, how am I gonna get you? Okay, how about this? Oh. As soon as I get... Go, go, go! Yep, there we go. Look, guys, I did it. No, you're so awesome. Oop, oop. Perfect. This is really fun. Upward. Oh, they fall? Those fall? Ah!
Pew, pew,
Perfect.
pew.
That's big. That's big. Phew! He almost died. Phew. Yep. Ha! I saw that a mile away. You'll never be able to beat me that way, game. Oh, how's this gonna work? Ta-da! Like I said, game, you'll never beat me that way. Double trouble. No, not webcomics again. No. Thank you. Oh, they little diglets. What? Oh, God! What the hell was that? I wasn't even paying attention to that. Oh, that's a problem. Whoop. There we go. Whoop. Bird. Oh, it's a bad guy. No! Ah! Yeah, there he is. Okay, that makes more sense. Ah, you're dead. You suck. Go, 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 go. Perfect. Yeah. You've done good. Hey, you suck. The Grumble. Oh, Jesus! You'll never. Run! Run! I died. Let's go this way first. Get out there. There you go. Oh no. Okay. Oh my God! It's on the corner. The corner. You guys are like, oh, you've got to be kidding me. Died by the white sticky stuff. Hopefully it's not sticky. Ugh. It might just be milk, who knows? I mean, I am a cat and a bird. Do birds love milk? I don't know. I'm a lactose intolerant cat. I'm an abomination. Haha, you hit your head. 'Cause you're an idiot. And your parents never loved you. Your name is probably Johnny. Sorry to all the Johnnies out there. Spike Stopper. Bike Topper. Spike Topper. There. Oh, we got new enemies now. Oh, these guys actually really dangerous. They swim. These guys are legion. I don't know how I'm actually gonna get past them. Oh, like that. How am I gonna get past them? Oh. That's how. No. Okay. Come on out. There we go. Fly like a butterfly. Markiplier reference. Oh yeah, fly like a catbird. Long way. Okay, so I probably have to do that. Yeah, that's easy to know. Okay. There we go. Go, catbird! Catbird, no! I wonder if this guy has a family back on his home planet. should have held better on that one. Oh well. This way. Box. Box. There you go. Box. Perfect. Meh. Fly away. Bloop. This is a long way. Careful. Okay. Oh. A flag again. I guess those are like check marks. Oh, they jump. Oh, they're awesome. When they have those faces, it looks like they're about to climax. I mean, jump. Oh, I dodged it somehow. Don't do that. No. Dang, that was close. Hip, hip. How am I gonna do that? What? It's impossible. Oh, that. Not impossible. I'm just a dummy. There we go. Ding! Yeah, I did it. The Crusher. Is this a boss? Oh. How am I supposed to... Oh, God. You died by the sticky stuff, too? Oh, man, I know that. That was easy. I mean, I'm done with this world! Yep. Huh? No. No, 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 no! Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god, he's blasting off again! Whoa, what's that one? Oh! Hey! What was that? That was cool. That was an awesome first level. Grassy. I died 18 times. Well, anyways, this has been Bird Cat, or Cat Bird, whichever how you want to say it. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. And of course, as always, this is considered a game over. I'll see you then.